Learning Module 17B, Wellness Principle Number 9, Nature's Nutrition, Part 2, Enzymes and Food Combining. This is Dr. Stephen Bazal. Welcome back. In Part 2 of Nature's Nutrition, we are going deeper because it's not just what you eat, it's what you digest, what you absorb, and what your body can actually use. Health begins in the gut. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into particles small enough to pass through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. From there, nutrients carried by the blood travel to the liver for processing and are redistributed throughout the body. If digestion is incomplete, everything downstream suffers. Energy drops, inflammation rises, immunity weakens, and the root cause often goes unrecognized. Enzymes, the spark of life. Enzymes are complex protein molecules that facilitate every biochemical reaction in the body. Without enzymes, nothing happens. There are three critical types: metabolic enzymes, digestive enzymes, and food enzymes. Metabolic enzymes regulate everything: movement, thinking, immune defense, repair. Digestive enzymes break food down into usable nutrients, and food enzymes present in raw, living foods assist in the process of predigestion. Here's the key. Your digestive tract was designed with the assumption that the food you eat contains enzymes. When the food is heated above approximately 115 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit, food enzymes are destroyed, which means your body must compensate. And over time, that compensation creates stress on your metabolic reserves. When digestion is impaired, proteins putrefy, carbohydrates ferment, and fats turn rancid. Undigested food irritates the intestinal lining. Inflammation increases, permeability increases, and partially digested food particles enter the bloodstream. Your immune system recognizes them as foreign invaders. Inflammation spreads, symptoms appear: fatigue, depression, irritable bowel, autoimmune reactions. It all begins with incomplete digestion. Now let's talk about the second core principle, food combining. The most commonly purchased over-the-counter medications are for heartburn and indigestion, but often the digestive tract is not broken. The problem is how we are combining foods. The human digestive tract evolved over millions of years. It is most efficient when handling one major food type at a time. Proteins and fats digest differently than carbohydrates. Carbohydrate digestion begins in the mouth. Protein digestion begins in the stomach, and fat digestion occurs in the small intestines. Each requires a different chemical environment. When we combine incompatible food types, we create digestive confusion. Here are some ideal food combinations to keep in mind that digest well together based upon chemistry. Category 1. Eat proteins and fats with green vegetables. Animal protein foods which provide all the essential amino acids include meats, poultry, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. All these are also good sources of good fats. Animal proteins are complete, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. They are also high in vitamin B12, highly absorbable heme iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Category 2. Green vegetables digest well with starchy vegetables. Starchy vegetables include potatoes, white or sweet, corn, peas, plantains, cassava, taro, winter squash, butternut acorn, and parsnips, which provide sufficient energy, fiber, vitamin C and A, and minerals like potassium. Here are some guidelines when eating fruits. Category 3. Melons, such as watermelons, honeydew, and cantaloupe, should be eaten alone, not combined with any other foods. Acid fruits such as grapes, oranges, lemons, and limes, along with pineapple, digest in harmony with subacid fruits Common subacid fruits include apples, berries, peaches, pears, mangoes, papaya, peaches, pears, and plums. Subacid fruits also digest well with sweet fruits such as raisins, dates, bananas, and grapes, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, and provide a natural, nutrient-dense alternative to processed sweets. Now here are the combinations to avoid. Eating proteins and fats with starches. Eating proteins and fats with fruits. Eating fruits with starches. These improper combinations slow digestion, create fermentation, create bloating, and create distress in the digestive tract. Your digestive tract has not evolved to handle modern buffet-style eating. Your assignment for this next week: aim for 80% fresh, organic, non-GMO, plant-based fruits and vegetables, 20% high-quality, pasture-raised animal products, and respect the food combining principles. Support your enzyme reserves and watch how your body responds. More energy, less bloating, clearer thinking, improved mood, better immune resilience. Digestion is the cornerstone of optimal health. When you fix the gut, you change everything. This is Dr. Stephen Bizzall. You've taken another powerful step forward. Stay committed, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next learning module as we continue shaping your optimal life.